Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your data on INFINIX Hot 6 Ti. Okay, the process is really easy. All we need to do is to launch our settings. Now scroll down all the way until you find the system. Scroll down again a little bit more and find backup to Google Drive. Okay, if those options aren't turned on, we'll have to do it manually. Simply select photos and videos and other device data, click on confirm. Okay, if you can see that the photos and videos and other device data are turned on, everything is fine. We can also tap on that manually just to make sure that it's enabled, the backup function. And same thing with other device data. Also, down below, we have our Google account that we are currently logged into. And on that account, in the cloud of it, our backup will be saved and stored. So for example, if you want to restart the backup later in the future, you'll need to be signed in into the same Google account if you want to restore your data later in the future. Down below we can see the backup details. Currently there is no data because no data is backup yet. Now go back. Also make sure that you have some free storage space. Now click on Backup Now button to start the process. I also need to confirm by drawing my screen lock. The process will begin in a few seconds. Okay, in here a small circle appeared as you take a look, and it's going to slowly fulfill. When it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully created, and on the bottom of the screen we'll also see a notification. So I'll see you in a second once it's done. Okay, and as you take a look down below on the other device data, we can see that the backup has been successfully created 0 minutes ago. So that's a confirmation that everything went fine. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.